Welcome guys. This is Vivo X27 Pro. The Vivo X27 Pro features a 6.7-inch display, along with a 20.59 aspect ratio and is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 710 processor, paired with 8GB of RAM. Vivo X27 Pro comes with 256GB of inbuilt storage. Connectivity options include 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, and USB. The phone also comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor. Besides, it packs a 4000 mAh battery. Vivo X27 Pro comes with a 32-megapixel selfie camera that is equipped with a soft LED flash. There is also an in-display fingerprint sensor on the Vivo X27 Pro.